Welcome back to Bréak. It don't finally start to Fulanis are now telling Tinubu that he will not going to do anything, that Nigeria will be divided very soon. I don't want to talk too much for this video. I want you to watch am for your own, because for those of you who don't understand the Hausa, you guys they say the right time, may just they watch what they go on. Listen. Hey, don't read though.
Da muke kira don girman Allah a raba Najeriya. Don girman Allah a taimake mu a raba Najeriya. Mu ina magana da yawun musulmi kuma ina magana da yawun yan arewa. Mu a matsayin mu na musulmi ba mu da bukatar zama da inyamurai. Ba mu da bukatar zama da inyamurai. Ibo ba abokin zama bane. Ba mutanen arziki bane. Bari in ba ku misalai kaɗan dan mu wuce. Ka duba ka ga yadda mutanen da suke arziki a ƙasar mu. Na yi magana ce wani hate speech. Ko ba ka ke cewa ba wai hate speech. Ai mu speech din kawai muke yi. Su kashe mu suke yi. Kwanan nan aka kama Ibo yana yin muryar Fulani. Muryar Fulani yake yi yana kashe mutane da sunan Fulani. Ba mu ba, Takumbu Asari ya fito ya ce babu wani bafulatani da yake kashe mutane a kasar Ibo. Ƙarya ake.
Omo, wala bill. See, take your time, listen to this video. This credit. This is another one who threatening the full country. Threatening the full country. That if this country is not divided, if this country is not being divided, they will cause war to the full country. That's the statement. Take your time, listen to this video today. You know, few months ago I did a video when another query threatening the same thing, but this one is another one again threatening the full country and the Igbos. Alright, let's watch the video. We'll come back and say something about it. Let's watch.
Me yasa su Fulanin ba su kashe su ba? Me yasa kadai kasar Ibo suke kashewa? Ba gaskiya bane. Wannan wani sharri ne, in ji shi fa, wani sharri ne da Ibo suka kulla. Ba mutumin da yake da greediness, tsabagen san zuciya kamar Ibo. Duk inda ka zauna da shi sai dai ya cuce ka kafin ku zauna lafiya. Wannan yasa ba mu da bukatar zama da su. Sun cika Kano, sun cika Katsina, ga su a Sokoto, sun cika Abuja, ga su a Naija, ko ina Ibo sun cika, amma su baka zama garin su ka zauna lafiya. Mun yi wannan kalubale kuma muna ƙara yi. A gwada mana wata kasuwa guda ɗaya wadda aka gina a ƙasashen jihohin Ibo wanda musulmi ɗaya ke da shago, wanda ɗan arewa ɗaya ke da shago. Idan akwai a nuna mana. Muna son a nuna mana wani musulmi ɗan arewa da yake zaune a ƙasar Ibo yana zaune lafiya. A nuna mana shi. Kenan babu. Waɗannan mutane menene amfanin zama da su? Muna kira ga gwamnati a yi tsarin da za a yi don Allah a raba mu da Ibo, a raba mu da inyamurai, su kama gabansu, mu kama gabanmu a zauna lafiya. Irin wannan kisa da suke mana, kisan gilla, a nuna mana yaran mu kwance cikin jini, muna cewa mabiya su yi haƙuri. Wallahi akwai radda za mu sako su mu ce ku koya musu hankali. Ƙasar ta daɗe bata watse ba. Idan ku gwamnati ne sai ku gwada mana a ranar ku gwamnati ne. Kenan akan mu kuke gwada ku gwamnati ne. Wai ana cewa unknown gunmen sunan su kenan. Yan bindigar da ba san su ba. Wallahi mu ma muna iya kirkiran yan bindigar da ba san su ba. Domin me? Abin da aka ce karan bana, maganin zoman bana, to kaji. Haka karatun yake. Wannan abin da ake yi ana sane. Gwamnonin Ibo, gwamnonin jihohin Ibo suna sane, da gangan suke bari ana kashe mutanenmu. Da gangan suke bari, suna sane. Duk wanda ya ce ba sani ba ƙarya yake yi, sun sani. Gwamnatin tarayya tsoron su kuke ji ko yaya ne? Idan faran mu ya ɓaci, al'amura za su ɓaci. Kuma dole mu ga mu gaskiya. Ku kuma 'yan arewa, musamman manyan arewa, waɗanda suke fama da mugun munafurci. Wai mutum bai san Allah bane Arrazaku. Wai idan an rabu ba mu da man fetur. Man fetur din me? Menene ko man fetur? Ana magana imani, kana magana man fetur. Saboda kai baka san Allah ba, mu ɗauka ma ba mu da man fetur, sai me? Su kawo man fetur su saida mana, mu saida musu akuya, mu saida musu bunsuru, mu saida musu rago, mu saida musu shanu, mu saida musu masara, mu saida musu wake. Ciniki ba haramu bane. Idan inyamuri zai shigo yankin mu sai yayi biza. Idan muka kama shi ba biza mun nakaɗa mai dan uban kashi. Wallahi haka za a yi. Ba mu da buƙatar zama da inyamurai. Kuma ko kun kira mu so goma kun ja kunnan mu, haka za mu gaya muku. Na san kuna jina. Mu ba mu buƙatar zama da inyamurai. Muna fatan a raba Najeriya. Kowa ikama gefensa, ba mu bukatar zama da inyamurai. Idan ko ba haka ba, ku tsawata musu akan kashe mutanenmu. Wallahi za mu ɗauki mataki. Amma wallahi ba za a ci gaba haka ba. Yanzu nan bayanin da ake mana a majalisar limamai, a nan Lafai ta jihar Naija. Lafai ina ce? Tsakiya arewa ce. Aka samu inyamuri ya kama yarinya musulma ya kai ta ɗaki kwana 3, ya kwalkwala idanunta, ya kwalkwala farjinta, ya ainihin kashe ta, yanke hannunta. Ya jama'a, yanzu don Allah idan aka samu bahaushe ɗaya ko musulmi ɗaya a ƙasar Igbo ya kama ɗiyarsu, ya yanke mata idanu, ya mata ta'addanci, ya kuce ganin za a ƙare?
After you listen to this video, good and fine. Now, this is another cleric threatening the full country. Threatening the full country. The other one that said, the video that did the last time, that one, until today, nothing happens to him. Nothing happens to him. He's still going freely. DSS has not, he has not been invited by the DSS. He has not been arrested by the Nigeria police. You know, when they want to talk nonsense, rubbish, they will be speaking their language. They will speak, when they are there, they will speak their language. But you see the interpretation. Now he's threatening the full country, threatening the Igbos, that they want to divide. Everybody should go. That Igbo men, they are not trusted, they can't do business with them. They don't want them to, they don't want to be together. That everybody should divide and go. He's threatening now that if they do not divide this country, they will cause war. They will cause problem to this country. Meanwhile, they are already causing the problem from the north there. From the same north. Is it the same Igbo man that is causing problem in the north? No. But they are the one from the north causing problem in the east. Look at the attack that happens in the Ebonyi state now. According to the video, alleged that henchmen by a lot of people, the attack. Right? Now, these people with this force, with at least you could see using derogatory words, threatening the full country, and nobody is responding to them. Nobody is saying anything to them. They are not being invited by the DSS. They are not being arrested. Don't get me wrong. Nothing is wrong with division of this country. That's what everybody are. That's even me myself. Disintegration. Let everybody go. Everybody have enough what it takes to sustain their country. But anyone who is not doing well, the other region will leave their region behind. It shouldn't be a problem. But the manner in which he is expressing himself, using derogatory words, threatening the country, threatening the Igbos, as if Igbo are the problem. Igbo man is not the president. Some people don't even know the last time Igbo man be the president of this country. So why is it always the Igbos, the Igbos? Leaving the issues and blaming another person. That's why Showore said for Igbo man to succeed in this country until this country is being divided. According to Showore. Even Showore believe that this country will not work until division. So, what is the reason of this violence? Threatening another region. Threatening the full country that you will cause war. You will cause problem. And now, all the military, all the DSS, everybody, they listen to this video, they will come off face like say they don't see. Because this one is not mean to them. Not, they get power. Nobody will do them nothing. But let this say threat come from the south, come from the east. The person would have been invited before now. The other one, the previous video, the same thing. If you want division, then come pray. Express yourself in a simple ways. Don't threaten the full country. Don't threaten another region. Especially when that region is not even the problem of the country. Yes? So you see a lot of things that these people are doing now. Federal government just don't feel as if it's not a problem. Nothing. Meanwhile, these people are the problem. I continue to say that. Everybody know they are the problem of this country. The Northerners, they are the problem of this country. So it's high time. I think the best thing Tinubu will do with this your 2 years remaining in office, you have the power, the capacity to call for division of this country. Do everything possible. The history will never forget you if you do that, or if this country divide under your administration. Divide this country. All the 3 regions, they have what it takes to sustain themselves. Look at all the gold and everything in the north. Everything. Because these people believe that they have enough. They believe that enough they have is what they are using to feed another region. That's why this problem. And Igbo man, you are accusing, Igbo man is even the one developing the country. One way or the other. Igbo man, they are everywhere dominant. They are dominant in everywhere, developing other people's region for them. Do you understand? So why these threats? Why this hatred? Why this threat, this violence? Why? And DSS is not, they're not seeing this video, they saw it. They are not aware, they are aware. Nothing. They not do them nothing. If you cannot arrest these people, you not divide this country. These people, you do not arrest them. They continue to be a problem to the country. They continue to cause war, call for war. They continue to do all sort of things in the name of their advocating for division of this country, disintegration. Right? You see? The other one, the same thing. He did the same thing. But this one not the same thing. let another region repeat the same thing. It would be a problem. When they want to do this nonsense, like I said, they will be speaking their language, because that's what the language they understand. They use it to commit their crime. So federal government should invite these people, should question them. The reason why they are threatening the food country, threatening one ethnic group, region, they should be invited, they should be arrested, they should be investigated. Because for these people to come out like this, speaking like this, they have plans already. Plans is already going on. So it will not cause other regions aware, because those people, they will overlook it like this. They are just talking. Meanwhile, they are making plans. Underground planning is going on already. So I think other region too should also start getting ready, so that when they throw one, then other region will throw two. So this is not the time to stay. Keep quiet. Sit down. Look. Somebody need to sit down, look, and do something. Do you understand? Because it's getting too much. The threats coming from the north, with all the problems they cause to this country, they will still have the audacity to come out to threatening the food country, one region, and now nobody is talking about it. Federal government do not see anything wrong in what they are doing, what they are saying with the threat. That was how one of them came to threaten Tinubu. I say we buy Tinubu's wife. Nothing happened. If that person was from the east, from the south, that person would have been investigated, would have been arrested. Come and explain to us. You see, it's problem. Again, Tinubu, history will not forget you. If you have the capacity, you have the power to quickly sign this law. Now, sign this law. If you want, put it as executive order. Other people who needs to, they will come after all. The Yoruba nation has already advocating for it. And this division now is only the east. The thing is not serious, because now the Kano has not been released. From the Yoruba nations, they have already submitted their letters that they want to leave. The Northerners, the same thing. We are not one. We don't want to be together. Since they said they don't want, we are not one. The name Nigeria is what is binding us together. Every other thing, we are not one. Don't let anybody deceive you. This country will not work under one leadership. It's not going to work. If this country will work, by now, we will see the changes. We'll see the effects of good governance. No. No. So, Tinubu, again, let this be one of your achievements, part of your achievement. History will not forget you. If you could do this, divide this country under your leadership. Simple, fine. Everybody go their own way. Go and look after your citizens. Go and secure your region. Please, what do you think? Share this video. And please, subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll be your guy. Run out for me now.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, I beg make you share and drop your own opinion for inside comment section. Don't forget to see there for Blãst this as they watch the video, make sure they share so that other people go to get the information and know how it happen.